So, hey there, I'm MB Sai Aditya, and for this Mercor chatbot challenge problem, I took track one. So, I created an application which is called Budget GPT, as you can see on the title of the tab. So Budget GPT is basically a budgeting AI chatbot, which will help us manage our budget and also give us insights about what exactly our current balance is. And yeah, that will be a later part. So let me, get into some technical specifications of it. I use LangChain to basically enhance the prompt engineering that I did. I'll use LangChain on top of OpenAI. I'll use LangChain, and also I created a normal MongoDB database, local database, so that I can store the amount of that particular user. And why I did, I'll come to that later. So let me get back to the application and give you some, demonstrations of what exactly I built. So what we have to do is we just have to enter our transactions that we do in day-to-day life, just as a normal, human language. Like for example, my father gave me 10,000 in the morning, something like that, some sort of this. And once I give that prompt, it would give me a result that your previous balance was 0 and your total balance now is 10,000 rupees. This is the result what it gave, because like earlier, I basically in the MongoDB, I already mentioned that my earlier amount was 0 and now it became 10,000. Now what I'll do is I'll just, I'll say like I bought a TV worth 5,000 uh, from some, Reliance or something. Reliance Smart Point, some sort of this. And I'll just hit enter and it would give me more insights, like your previous balance was 10,000. Now your total balance is 5,000 rupees. Now, what I'll say is, now since my balance is 5,000 rupees, I'll just ask some questions on that. Now, can I buy maybe a MacBook worth 15,000 now? So I'll just hit enter and it would just give me insights of that particular question, that no, you cannot buy a Mac worth $15,000 with a balance of $5,000. And it automatically knew that my balance was $5,000, because this OpenAI or the LangChain basically stands in between our application and within the database, so it knows the amount that we are basically giving it. And now since let us take, I'll just copy paste this just to save some time. And I'll say, can I buy iPhone worth something that is less than what my current balance is, maybe 2,000 now. So I'll hit enter and it would say, let's wait. Yes, you can buy an iPhone worth 2,000 with your current balance 5,000. So just this is how it works. Like I'll also say like my friend gifted me uh I don't know, I should say 4,500. That my friend would definitely not be gifting me, but yeah, my friend gifted me 15,000 today. Some sort of this, like some normal human transactions, normal human level transaction. I went somewhere and let us get it. Your previous balance was 5,000. Now it's, I drank or I bought, basically I bought an Amul milk worth 15 bucks from Amul Parlor. From Amul Parlor. Sorry for my typos. Yeah. So kind of this is how it works. Also, I can say what is my current balance. What is my current balance? And it would give that as well. Yeah. So my current balance is 94,850. This is how it works. Obviously, like when I refresh, it would not go off, because since it is stored in the database, I'll say what is my current balance and it would still say 9485, which was it previously. So yeah, so this is how pretty much it works. And yeah, that is what I built. And also, if we save each and every, oh yeah, the first point that I want to add is, if we add an authentication to this particular application, which I'm really sorry I could not add due to time constraints. And authentication, if we add an authentication, these are all the future scopes. If we add the authentication, then for each and every user we can store each and every transaction. If we store each and every transactions in MongoDB or whatever the database that we're integrating, we can give very good insights about that particular data. For example, if we store, yeah, like as you saw in the previous demonstration, like my father gave me 10,000 something. My father gave me 10,000. So previous, now it's 19,485. Earlier it was 9,485. Now if I save this transaction also in the database, not only the amount but also the transaction, on this transaction I can do some NLP or some sort of stuff, whatever you want, on top of all the transaction that we did, and give the insights, like some sort of like give my weekly summary or give my monthly summary or give my yearly summary. That the user will come and just type, and we can completely show a table to the user that, yeah, this was your monthly summary, this is where you spent most of your, like for example, if I drank 15 for the complete month, I drank Amul milk at the Amul parlor. So I'll get that thing that, yeah, Amul, I am, every day I'm buying this. So those insights basically will be given back to the users. That is the future scope. So this is what my idea is completely about the budget GPT. This is what I think should be built. And yeah, that was all from my side. Thank you. Signing off. This is MB Sai Aditya.